In this video, we cover important to mark questions from biology, physics, and chemistry for class 9. Question number 1. If you apply a net force of 3 newtons on a 1 kilogram box, what is the acceleration on the box? Answer. Acceleration equals force divided by mass. Acceleration equals 3 newtons divided by 1 kilogram, which equals 3 meters per second squared. Question number 2. If the atomic number of an element X is 15 and its mass number is 31, find out the number of neutrons. Answer. Neutrons equal mass number minus atomic number. 31 minus 15 equals 16 neutrons. Question number 3. Why do we see water droplets on the outer surface of a glass containing ice-cold water? Answer. This happens due to condensation. The water vapor in the air cools down and turns into liquid droplets when it touches the cold glass. Question number 4. Write the main functions of the cell wall. Answer. Gives shape and support to the cell. Protects the cell from external damage. Prevents excessive water intake. Question number 5. A ball is thrown upward with a velocity of 100 meters per second. Find the time taken to reach the ground. Answer. Using the formula time equals to times initial velocity divided by acceleration due to gravity. Time equals to times 100 divided by 10, which equals 20 seconds. Question number 6. If small and big stones are dropped from the roof of a house simultaneously, they will reach the ground at the same time. Why? Answer. Because gravity pulls all objects equally, regardless of their mass, ignoring air resistance. Question number 7. Explain why the smell of hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away, but to get the smell from cold food, you have to go close. Answer. Hot food releases fast-moving gas particles, which spread quickly. Cold food releases fewer and slower particles, so the smell does not travel far. Question number 8. Write down the formulae of 1. Sodium oxide Na2O. 2. Aluminium chloride AlCl3. 3. Sodium sulfide Na2S. 4. Magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice. Question number 9. What would happen to the life of a cell if there was no Golgi apparatus? Answer. Proteins and lipids would not be properly packed. Cells would not function properly. Question number 10. During an experiment, a signal from a spaceship reached the ground station in 5 minutes. What was the distance of the spaceship from the ground station? Given, the signal travels at 3 times 10 raised to the power of 8 meters per second. Answer. Distance equals speed multiplied by time. Distance equals 3 times 10 raised to the power of 8 multiplied by 300, which equals 9 times 10 raised to the power of 10 meters. Question number 11. Explain why some of the leaves may get detached from a tree if we vigorously shake its branch. Answer. Due to inertia, the leaves tend to remain at rest while the branch moves. This causes them to detach. Question number 12. State the universal law of gravitation. Answer. Every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Question number 13a. Why does a desert cooler cool better on a hot dry day? Answer. On a hot dry day, evaporation happens faster, absorbing more heat and cooling the air better. Question number 13b. Gases exert pressure on the walls of the containing vessel. Explain the reason. Answer. Gas particles move randomly and collide with the walls of the container, exerting pressure. Question number 14. State the law of constant proportions. Answer. A given compound always contains the same elements in the same fixed ratio by mass. Question number 15. Give the names of the elements present in the following compounds. A. Quicklime. Calcium, oxygen. B. Hydrogen bromide. Hydrogen, bromine. C. Baking powder. Sodium, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen. D. Potassium sulfate. Potassium, sulfur, oxygen. Question number 16a. Which cell organelle is called? 1. Powerhouse of the cell. 2. Suicide bag of the cell. Answer. 1. Mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. 2. Lysosome is called the suicide bag of the cell. Question number 16b. State 2 important functions of the nucleus of a cell. Answer. 1. Controls all activities of the cell. 2. Stores genetic information and passes it to offspring. Question number 17. State Newton's second law of motion. Give its mathematical expression. Answer. Newton's second law states that the force acting on an object is equal to the rate of change of its momentum. It is given by the equation F equals m multiplied by a. Force equals mass multiplied by acceleration. Question number 18. A truck starts from rest and rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. It travels a distance of 400 meters in 20 seconds. Find its acceleration. Answer. Using the equation S equals u multiplied by t plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by a multiplied by t squared. Given S equals 400 meters, u equals 0, t equals 20 seconds. 400 equals 0 plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by a multiplied by 20 squared. 400 equals 200 multiplied by a. A equals to meters per second squared. In the next video, we will look into 3 mark questions. Stay tuned.